Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to merge two Python dictionaries in a single expression. Okay, first go to Python terminal. There are different possible ways to merge two Python dictionaries. I will show some of them. First of all, we have to create two dictionaries. Okay, I'm going to create dictionary ex equals this is my first dictionary. Now I am going to create another dictionary. Just print those two dictionaries, X and Y. Okay, this is our two dictionaries. Now I am going to merge these two dictionaries X and Y using the update method. Okay, Z equals X, the first dictionary, dot update in that bracket the second dictionary. Here we update the first dictionary with the second dictionary. Okay, now I am going to print the first dictionary X. Here you can see the first dictionary X is updated. Okay, and the first dictionary X is the combination of first dictionary and also second dictionary. In using the update method, we can merge two dictionaries in Python. Now I am going to show you another method. Okay, D equals not D, I equals dictionary keyword that braces the first dictionary dot items plus the second dictionary dot items. Then I am going to execute this one and print di. Okay, here also we can see using the dict method, the keyword, we can merge the two dictionaries into a single dictionary. The DI is a dictionary and it is a combination of the dictionary X and dictionary Y. In this ways, we can merge two dictionaries in Python using a single expression. Hope you guys get how to merge the Python dictionaries. If you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.